I got some mud on that one. Yeah. Let's get mud everywhere. Everywhere. Oh, my God. And that was done. Oh, that guy's been getting stuck. All right. Now we did have problems with this, so I'm going to hang the edges and not the holes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's what we had yesterday. That got me. So you know, in case you're ever driving this, this is in third gear, four-wheel low. Okay, there we go.
Like this stuff.
Keeping it straight.
To the right a little bit.
Yeah, good direction, sir. Thank you. Don't want to get stuck there. That's where we want to go. Woo-hoo! Oh! No, 4. See 3 blue guys going up there. And we just, didn't we just do 3? Or
No, we did 2.
We did 2. Yeah, we want to do 3. 3 is a good one. 3 is a good one. Good?
It looks like, yep, you're good.
Yeah! Oh. Turn on. This is where we stopped yesterday. I want to do it today. Yeah, baby. Woo! We got stuck in the tires yesterday. Not happening today. that would have been shaking everything around anyway.
Oh, make it careful because he could roll backwards. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. That tire's bad.
Yeah, we're going to go over those a little quicker.
You might want to go back.
Yeah, I'm going to catch the edge.
Yeah. Because that's scary. That tire's had it.
Yeah! Woo! I love your hanging up.
Here we go. We're gonna do it. Eric's gonna do it. Come on.
Woo!
Easy, slow, 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 slow.
That would be very violent for us.
No, I don't want that.
I mean, we could do it, but it'd be like...
Yeah, because of that hole right there, they're making everyone go to the left. They just need to put more dirt in there.
They want the bigger ones.
Okay, well.
Yeah, that's why we're not. I'd have to let a lot of air out. We could do it,
I don't want
but I don't want to. I didn't bring my hoses to refill everything. All right, we're gonna go on this. Woohoo!
Oh, God.
That's it!
Dude, don't get stuck because you're not in a...
Anybody behind? See if we can film that guy.
They're both having problems. Look at that.
Yeah. So we went up the way we do. That's how we got to do it. He wants to do it. That's why. make
because
it.
he might get stuck.
We'll do 3. We'll do the dirt again. We'll do the dirt again.
Okay, just wait for him to get
Oh,
ready,
yeah.
and you'll be good. Just let me, I'll tell you when to go.
Cool. I'm gonna catch this guy. Unless you want to do that again.
Oh, 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 dude. These people don't even clap. They're boring audience right now.
Yeah. Well, we had him cheering for us. That's for sure.
Go ahead, honey.
Which one? He says, which one?
Go ahead, send it.
Which one?
All right, we got Sasquatch now. You have to take the right. Take a right.
Oh.
Oh yeah! Woo! Nice. Oh, that was fun. All right, here we go.
More to the right.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, we didn't balance as much.
Skip out of the hill bump. Yeah.
Mike, stop.
Oh.
Stop, Mike.
Oh, he wants to film this. This is some good stuff. Oh, hold on. Ah, thank you. That was fun. Time.
You want to? She's like looking at it.
Yeah. We're gonna go that way. Yep. We'll do the left side. We'll do the stairs.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Everyone
you.
keeps skipping. I'm trying to guilt trip people into doing it. Go ahead.
Yeah, all right, here we go. I want second or third. Yeah, all right, here we go.
Oh boy. Oh God.
All right. Did that a little more professionally that time. Let me get out of 4.
Oh, not that thing. Oh Lord.
That one looked a lot more. That one looked a lot.
A little better, a little more control. We like that one. We had